Let me show you how we achieve this zigzag front using two colors. The first rope is called, I create this rope with ashoke. So the other orange color is hair band. This thing, as you can see, you know, if you want to do the wig, the normal white, just order the color, any color you like. So that's the new update of this zigzag. In case you don't want to use your ashoke, because by creating this rope you need to pieces your ashoke for you to have the rope ashoke. So right now we have another way. This hairband, you just buy any color you like, you can use it to create this front zigzag. Yes, when my customer came to my house, she told me that this particular thing that I have in my hand, that we are going to use it for the V front. I say, how? Well, let me see if it's what I can use. But at the end, everything was so perfect. So in case you like to do front zigzag and you don't have the ashoke, go to Amazon, go to eBay, go and purchase your hairband, then buy any color you like. Yes, so I hope you focus your eye on my hand. This is my beautiful customer. She's here for her photo shoot. This was her third outfit. So in case you are wondering where I base in United Kingdom, London. Book me for your event. I'm available to travel. We are many in one beauty. Go to my Instagram. Many of my jobs are there. Okay, my people. Yes, I have studio here in London as well. If you want to have your photo shoot, husband and wife photo shoot, birthday photo shoot, children photo shoot, any type of photo shoot, contact me. I live in London. Yes, my name is Deg Beauty. Hello everyone. We are going to learn how to achieve this zigzag. Please just focus your eye on my hand and see how we achieve it. Maybe you will learn one or two things. Okay, so we are still on it. This is what we call zigzag, this front. Many people call it how come Gele. Okay, now it's done. What I just do there at the back, I just try to knot the both rope together so that I will continue my the top style. Okay, in case you are watching me from YouTube, for more explanation, I always do live on my second YouTube. Subscribe to my second YouTube. The name is Deg Beauty Life. So anytime I'm on live on Facebook, same time I go live on YouTube with more explanation. Connect to my, subscribe to my new YouTube. It's Deg Beauty Life. In case you want to learn how to achieve any head wrap with chronic explanation. Yeah. In case you are watching me from YouTube, I have two YouTube, as I earlier said. Facebook department, I have 3 Facebook page. Please follow me on my 3 Facebook page. This particular place where you watch me now, this is where I do my everyday upload of Gele. Yes, I do upload of Gele, and I swear if I want to go live on Facebook for more explanation, we go live on Facebook here. On this my page, people that watch me from Facebook, we upload different type of content on this page. We upload our Christian movie skits every Sunday. We drop new video of short skits. Please try and check the videos out and learn a lesson from it. Yes, and we upload most time we upload Facebook, how to monetize Facebook video. I upload it as well. So but recently I have new page where I explain the new update of Facebook monetization. The name of the Facebook page is Deg Beauty Life. Oh, sorry, Deg Beauty Gist. So follow that, my Deg Beauty Gist. In case you want to know more about Facebook monetization, follow that page, Deg Beauty Gist. On that Deg Beauty Gist, we do upload of true life story, but anytime I come live on Facebook, I explain to them the new update. That is where we do the explanation, and you can ask me questions regarding Facebook monetization. Yes, the order of my page, which is Deg Beauty Life, we upload anything new, immigration, migrant, any latest migrant update in UK, any matter that arose UK matter, anything UK. That is what we upload there. In case you have interest, follow me on that page as well. Thank you. I so much appreciate every one of you for checking on me. Please, I want to know the country where you are watching me from. Please, can you drop down below on the comment section where you are watching me from? I want to know. I'm coming back after 2 days to come and check. I want to know where you are watching me from. Or if you have any head wrap you want me to create, just write it on the comment section. I will show you how to achieve it. In case you are wondering how can you achieve different hairstyle, go to my YouTube channel. I have more than 700 videos of head wrap on my YouTube channel, and as well I have those videos on my Facebook, because my Facebook is so busy. I upload different things. I upload vlog, I upload blog, I upload different things on this my Facebook, Deg Beauty. That is the reason I always tell people, go to my YouTube. My YouTube is well organized. Getting there, what you will see there is just upload of Gele. So in case you have more interest of Gele, different head wrap style, go there and rock my channel, and I will be super excited. Don't forget to leave your comment down below for me. Yes, we are almost there. Okay, do you observe I have little the orange one, the leftover? I will use pin to just attach it in any area. That is how we create all these celebrant style. We just use wisdom. So that is it, my people. Please try and contact me for your event. I'm available to travel. In case you want to buy makeup product, I sell original makeup products, and I sell perfume as well. Contact me. My number is always at the end of all my video. Yes, this is her. She is happy. She is super excited. As you can see the photos, she is super excited. Thank you, everyone. See you on my next video. Please don't forget to follow me on my 3 pages. You will enjoy them. And my YouTube, I have 2 YouTube. Subscribe to them. As you do so, my God, your God will bless you. See you on my next video. This is the final. And if you can wish her happy birthday for me, thank you. Bye.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on Deg Beauty. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that Deg Beauty is only specialized in makeup and hair, now let me shock you. We in Deg Beauty studio, we are also specialized in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeup, Gele time, and a lot more. Just call on Deg Beauty and she'll be right there with you. She travels worldwide, international connection. She's there, always happy.
Everybody look, see what Kusiwa Gele.